There is a wonderful analogy about the honeybee and the fly. It teaches us a valuable lesson to improve our relationships and the quality of life. The honeybee flies from flower to flower, extracting only the nectar without disturbing the flower. The mindset of a honeybee is to seek the essence of each flower, even in a place filled with rotting garbage. Rather than giving its attention to all the filth, the honeybee keeps its focus on finding nectar, and it eagerly flies to even a single tiny flower amidst miles and miles of garbage. In our relationships, we have much to learn from the honeybee. It is teaching us the art of focusing on the positives and dealing appropriately with the faults in each other. There will be faults everywhere and in everyone. There is never a shortage of things to complain about. But just as the honeybee seeks nectar, even in the most unexpected of places, we can aim to seek the positive qualities in those around us.